the puppies playing with the kitty. Laying there and allowing them to chew on her or chew on him. And maul him. And he just stays there and puts up with it all. Only cat in the world that would allow this to happen to him.